Tonight at 11, the murder trial of Matthew Lanz is officially underway.
Tonight marks exactly 4 years since he's accused of breaking into the home of a Cobb County couple, killing them without a direct motive.
Yeah, we're talking about Justin and Amber Hicks. They were childhood sweethearts at the time who bought their dream home just 73 days before their deaths. They leave behind their young son, Jacob, who is now 6 years old.
11 Alive's Grace King was inside that courtroom today and heard the family's heart-wrenching testimony.
We've tried calling multiple times.
Amber Hicks never missed work without calling.
I ended up going to the front door and I was banging on it very hard. And I gradually got harder and harder because I wasn't getting any response. And finally I was banging on it so hard it was actually bowing a little bit.
Justin's dad knew something wasn't right when Amber's boss called. He started walking around their Ackworth house when he noticed a broken window.
And as I peeked in, I saw that they weren't okay.
Prosecutors say their backyard neighbor, 22-year-old Matthew Lanz, broke in the night of November 17, 2021, and shot Justin and Amber Hicks to death. They were childhood sweethearts who had just achieved their dream of buying a home.
I cannot think of one person that would be considered their enemy. I mean, both of them just easygoing, likable kind of people.
Their son Jacob was only 2, left alone wandering the home and trying to wake mom and dad.
Jacob tried to cuddle with his parents as they lay deceased on that couch.
State prosecutors plan to use surveillance video and ballistic evidence they say ties Lanz to the scene. But his defense team hopes the judge won't take the state's words beyond a reasonable doubt.
Of course, what they say in opening is just what they allege the evidence to be.
He says his client believes he's been framed.
Matthew believes that he has been set up by either FBI, CIA, or some government agency. I think you'll hear some information about that.
Well, 2 days after the murder, police say Lanz broke into another home in Sandy Springs where he stabbed an officer in the neck. This is body camera video from police of that day. That is a separate case in Fulton County. Now, when we checked court records today, we learned there is a status hearing scheduled for that December 2nd.
Yeah, it's such a sad story here. So the couple's son is now living with his grandparents. So we heard from his grandpa and Justin's dad on the stand today. We could hear from the defendant's parents, Teresa and Scott Lanz, later on this week. You can follow the entire trial, stream the full testimony from the courtroom on 11 Alive Plus. 11 Alive Plus is free to download on your smart TV.